Captain Phil.
¿Qué dijo el vato?
Viene en 5 minutos.
Dijo claro que tú no hablabas.
Bajadito. Cool. All right. Gaskets. Oh, we're good, man. Appreciate it. All right.
Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. All right, I think I got everything.
You want me to take your sunglasses?
You can see how busted they are already.
Yeah. They're coastals, I almost cried.
The Costas or are they Maui's? Costas, okay. All right.
Got some rags coming down. Basket.
All right.
Okay, got it.
Sir. All right. I think that's it.
Yeah, I got it.
Well, I'm only going to drop mine 7 times. There's one. you can see that. That is our DS-85 speed log ball valve. There's our through hole. That's incredible. How about you, George? George, you got a copy?
Come on, let's go.
All right, I'm down here in 201, and we need to get somebody under the boat right away to clean the paint out of the inside of the hull boss. They painted over it, and they got paint on the inside where the deucer is supposed to go.
Here, I'll get it away and clean that up. Hold on there, Cap. There's some cleaner, what they call cleaner in the high reach. Remember the developer, the factory? There's a silicate cleaner that's a solvent-based cleaner. Let me get Leslie up there to take a look at that. They painted that over this morning. I was afraid that they were going to do that. It sets in that recess.
Yes, and they got paint on the, what was that, the Kino Ruster? They got paint on that too. So I gotta pull the valve back up.
Alright, let me get a rag back here.
I might be able to get it. Let me pull this valve and let me see what it looks like from inside the tank. Great. Not ideal. Hey, oh, I'll get it from here. Nope. Hey, get your fingers out of there. Huh? I've got a rag. I know. Whew. It is hot in here.
6 all the way down and in the knot.
Okay, roger that. Now I just have to drop the flange down on it. So if you ever have to close this valve, you have to remove these two hex head bolts, or sorry, the socket heads. The two socket head bolts there, you have to loosen this. The whole shaft will raise up with the transducer, and then you will have this handle that you put on here to close the valve, and then you can place the transducer in the water, which is a very good feature to have. Okay, so we're done. I would say fix the dash out, but stuff to clean up. How about you, Jack?
How about you, Chief? Just doing a quick video check.
Yep, I'm just cleaning up and then we'll go.
Roger, over the copy.
Yoga for the afternoon. It's called Enter a Tank and Hide the Valve. My favorite game.
That's the kind of hot yoga I was looking for.
Oh, my belt loop. Yeah, it happens. There was some guy in the back that was just spraying me with a garden hose, but I couldn't find him. Somewhere back there. Come on. Need more grease.